Now, you've probably heard this somewhere. It originated from a video game, but it's incredibly easy to make your voice sound remarkably a lot like this.
Round 1, fight.
And you can use these same techniques. It's incredibly simple. They're drag and drop audio effects to make your voice sound even different ways, whether it's high pitch, low pitch, more echoey, you're in a big room, you're not, all different kinds of things. So if this video helps you out, make sure you hit the like button. I'll go ahead and get out of the way so you don't miss anything. Now, first off, I just did a pre-recording of myself making these sounds. Depending if you're a male, female, how high pitch or how low pitch your voice is, it's going to alter how it ends up in the end. But you can make it sound remarkably like the original clip. Here's what mine sounded like before adding any effects. Round 1, fight. So I tried to do kind of the same dialect or the same accent or whatever you want to call it as the clip. I did my best anyways. So the first thing you want to do to make it sound remarkably like the original, come over to your toolbox, down to audio effects. Now, once on here, just go ahead and scroll down ever so slightly till you get to pitch. Makes sense since we want to make it deeper sounding, or we want to change the pitch up or down. We're going to drag that over and drop it onto the audio track right there. You see this screen pop up. I'm going to set it right here just so it's out of the way. Now, negative is a deeper voice, and positive numbers are a higher pitch voice. Okay? So first of all, what does it sound like with a higher pitch voice?
Round 1, fight.
Pretty goofy, but that's not the sound we're going for. I'm going to move it to -2 to make my voice deeper. It's going to depend on the pitch of your voice, what you really need to set it to.
Round 1, fight.
I like where that is landing. We are halfway there, fellas. We'll go ahead and click the X right here to close that out. Now, the next audio effect we're going to add, we're going to scroll up a little bit, and we're going to go to echo. Drag and drop. Now, I don't like the way it is set inherently right here under default. I think it sounds better if you come down to the large hall for at least this effect. Feel free to play around with whatever you want to. So large hall, and then actually I like to turn down the delay time to somewhere in the 60s, 70s, something like that. It's not important to be exact necessarily. Move this off to the side, and we'll see what it sounds like right now.
Round 1, fight.
I like how that sounds right there. It's not exact, but no one's voice is going to sound exactly perfect unless you're a professional impressionist. And just for another example, perhaps this other audio from a different game might be more familiar to you. This is my own voice once again.
Double kill, triple kill, kill-tacular.
Now, it doesn't sound exactly like the guy from Halo, but I think it sounds very cool.